Imagine waking up to fresh air, wide roads, and green open spaces. Tapos ilang minutes lang, nasa Clark ka na. That's exactly the lifestyle na ino-offer ng The Houselands Clarkway, ang latest premium residential community ng The Houseland Development Corporation na officially nilaunch nitong August 15 sa Barangay Dukit, Mabalacat City along Angeles Magalang Bypass Road. Inspired by Blue Zone living, meaning healthy, active at well-balanced lifestyle. Ang community na ito ay designed para sa lahat, whether single ka, newly married, may kids, o enjoying retirement. Bonus pa, malapit sa Clark International Airport, Clark Freeport Zone, SC-TEX at NLEX, plus nearby schools, malls, banks, churches at hospitals. Basically, everything you need is just around the corner.
Alam naman natin today, di ba, yung typical development, mass housing development, puno ng bahay, it's like a concrete jungle, even in the urban areas, in Metro Manila, you have the condominiums na punong-puno ng mga building. So ito, tinry lang namin mag-experiment na this time, i-adapt natin kung ano yung mga features ng areas na feature about the blue zones that would promote several key aspects, including health and wellness, active lifestyle, prayer and meditation, a lot of green, even the community growing their own produce. Pinagsama-sama natin dito in a very artistic way.
Ginanap sa soft launch ang unveiling ng The Houselands Clarkway marker, groundbreaking of the grand entrance gate, blessing of the sales office and model units, and a ceremonial planting of pink trumpet trees, symbolizing the community's commitment to green living.
Here in the Houselands Clarkway, we did something different. We planted pink trumpet trees. Alam niyo po, that is a local tree, a native tree. Hindi siya mahirap i-grow. But the beautiful thing is that when planted together, every summer, it will bloom into beautiful pink flowers. Every summer. And ang vision namin doon is to have that unique feel for the children, especially, that they would remember. Every summer po, ang main road namin is lined with pink blossoms. And that would just make it a landmark and something that they would remember all the rest of their lives. So,
inside the gated community, itatayo ang mga lifestyle zones para hindi lang basta bahay ang investment, kundi buong experience. Meron ditong courtyard, the playyard, the grove, the active grounds, the village farm, and the Possum Park. Currently available for pre-selling ang dalawang model units. There's Ira Model and Vera Model. Plus, may introductory pricing, launch discounts at flexible financing schemes, making it easier to turn your dream home into reality. Kung ready ka na sa next chapter ng buhay mo, The Houselands Clarkway is more than just a house. It's a lifestyle upgrade right here in Pampanga's growth hotspot. This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.